लेक्चरर्स आमकां तेन्ना खूब सारकी नाशिल्ली, मातसो प्रॉब्लम जातालो शिकपाक. सो प्रोग्रामींग ही एक गोश्ट आशिल्ली जी खूब डिफिकल्ट आसताली इनिशियली अंडरस्टँड करपा खातीर. म्हजे एक फ्रेंडाचे जो फार्मासीक गेल्लो ताजे भयण कंप्युटर इंजिनियर आशिल्ले आनी ते फोंड्याच रावताले. मिस वंदना, टुडे शी इज मिसेस वंदना ताज एंड शी लिव्स इन द US. आनी ताणें म्हाका मोस्ट मदत केली कित्याक इनिशियली आमची एग्जाम सामकी तोंडार पावयली आनी ताणें आमकां मदत केली एक बेसीक गोश्टी आनी कॉन्सेप्ट अंडरस्टँड करपाक म्हाका आनी म्हज्या मित्राक. आनी ते मागीर आमकां ताणें हेल्प जाली म्हाका ती थंयच्यान फावंडेशन म्हजी सुरू जाली की हांव प्रोग्रामींग करपाक पावलो.
I grew up in a small village in the United States. I would like to climb trees, I would like to ride my bicycle, I would like to play football in the street with my chums, my friends. So all these things were part of my lifetime growing up. Going swimming at the swimming hole in the summertime. So I see the kids in Goa doing the same thing. When I was 4, I tried to drive the family car, and we used to leave the keys in the car. So I merely turned the keys in the car and did what my father did, which was to drop it into gear and crash the car. So I was a very naughty boy. I don't think you could ever do this in India and not get spanked, but I did it and I didn't get spanked.
2012 वर्सा US सोडून गोंया येवपा खातीर तुमी स्वताची तयारी कशी केली?
One of a great memory for that trip and travel was the Bahamas trip which we did before coming down to Goa. That was one of the most beautiful trips I've ever done. I've never been on a cruise boat. That was Kevin's insistence that he took the tickets and he said, let's just do it because we're going to go to India. We don't know what's going to happen. So we just took a holiday, and that 1 week holiday was one of the best holidays we've ever had in our life.
कॅलोजा खातीर तुमी आपली नोकरी आनी गांव सोडपाचे बाबतींत तुमच्या कुटुंबाचें म्हणणें कितें आसा?
My family was shocked because I quit that job to do the startup and to come to India. So their initial reaction has, over time, become resignation. My father, who really had the best reaction, he came to India for a month-long holiday and enjoyed it very much, and he'll probably be back in the next couple of years. His first vacation outside of the United States at the age of 80, by the way.
And the best place he liked of all over the India travel was Goa, and that is Wilderness.
गोंयान येतकीच आनी मागीर फोंड्या वचून एक पारंपरीक हिंदू कुटुंबा वांगडा रावपाचे तुमचे सुरवातेचे दीस कशे आशिल्ले?
I was in a situation where I had my own flat. So I was able to more or less recreate my American lifestyle. So I could buy food that was American style. I lived in Donna Paula. So I had a television with satellite. In the United States, I always lived with my family. And my 2 younger brothers are engineers, and we all lived together. We all worked for GE Medical Systems. So I had never been in a situation where I lived alone. And surprisingly, I had a heart attack at the gym a few months after I moved here. So after spending a week in the hospital, I couldn't go back to living by myself. At least, well, I said I could, but Gajan said no, I couldn't. So I had to move in with his family. So that was the culture shock. The bubble that I built for myself in Donna Paula, where I could retain sort of a Western or American lifestyle, was burst when I found myself recuperating in a small room that Gajan's sister had arranged to have a bedroom for me. And next to my bed was the altar for Ramnathi, and Sai Baba was there too. And so I had to become a part of the family. And really, his sister's daughter was 5 at the time, and I was bedridden. I couldn't leave the house. So everything, the entertainment, the television, the music, the food, especially the food, it was all Indian. And it's a Hindu family. And I was raised as a Christian, so there was that difference in terms of basic theology. So it was hard. It would have been more difficult, but Gajan's sister she's a great, fun person. She was the one that taught me everything. She was the one that taught me how to eat with my hand properly. She was the one that taught me how to name, say, and eat, all of the Goan dishes, all the fishes, everything that swims apparently is edible. I didn't know that. I grew up in a landlocked area. We didn't have an ocean, so fish were rare, and they usually took the form of prefab fish sticks. And I would go to the temple with Gajanan and his father, which I still do occasionally, several times a year, in fact. So I learned more about Goan history. I bought books on Goan history. I bought books on Hindu mythology. I became really conversant in the politics of Goa, the history of Goa, and I sort of became an American Goan. So now people recognize me, they see me at the gym, they see me out and about. There's a certain percentage in town that I actually know. I either talk with, chat with, I work out at the gym with, or I shop at their stores. So I've become a local fixture, and I really enjoy it.
आपलें घरदार सोडून इतलो पयस इतलो तेंप रावपाचो तुमचेर एफेत कितें पडला?
After a while, you just simply get used to the country you're living in. And then when you go home, it's no longer home. It's a holiday, it's a vacation. And you appreciate your mother country for the things that it has to offer. But your home has become the new place that you live. So the fact that I live here 11 months out of 12, India effectively has become my home. And there won't ever be a time in my life, I can see this now, where I will be at home permanently in either country. So when I'm in India for a few months, I begin to miss the people and things in the United States, and vice versa.
गजाननाचे घरकान्नींक तांच्या आजून मेरेनच्या जिविता बद्दल कशें दिसता काय?
I was working in Pune. So I left that and after marriage and I moved to US. So initially it was makani khub I felt like I felt totally cheated म्हणपाचें because हांवें जॉबूय सोडिल्लो आनी गोवा म्हाका I couldn't find a job to my liking. So how I went there म्हणजे सुरवातीक thinking that we will settle over there. So initially we went to आमी California गेली तर I could आणि then we came back and then we went back to Wisconsin आमी Wisconsin गेली पण सदांच I could sense की there was एक प्रकारची restlessness आशिल्ली in Gajanan. He although तो आपली PhD बी करतालो with all his efforts पण I could see की अधून मधून Kalos was like ताजे first love म्हणटात न्ही तशें आशिल्लें. ताच्या सदांच he wanted entrepreneur जावपाची इच्छा आशिल्ली ताका. Initially म्हाका नाका आशिल्लें to come here because कोण थंय वता परते येवप म्हाका I felt it was kind of a failure. पुणून when I saw that तागेली इतली जिद्द आशिल्ली इतलें passion आशिल्लें so I decided की दुसरो हो path घेवया म्हणून. आनी it has been I mean he is very happy. तो खूब खुश आसा. So am I. Because now ताजे भितर जी अशी एक ती रेस्टलेसनेस आशिल्ली न्ही ती आतां ना. इवन जेन्ना आमी सामके लो ऑफ द लो आशिल्ली when there was no investment, सेल्साचो कांय पत्तो नाशिल्लो. Even then he was happy. And if he's happy then I'm happy. Another thing is in the US न्ही तांचे जे values आसात ते आतां खूब बरे दिसतात. But tomorrow म्हजी चली व्हड जातली and at the age of 15-16 she will have a boyfriend. think that आमकां कशेंच accept जावचें ना. So आमी future thinking केलें and we decided to come here. Now as far as Kalos is concerned, and he is immensely proud of it. And looking at his pride, I am also proud of it. And I am also proud of my husband and whatever has been his achievement so far. So from a fulfillment perspective, we are very happy here. Goa is itlo baro jago to raise a family, provided you have financial stability. खंयची सुरवात करपाक गोवा मातशें difficult आसा, but there are people like Gajanan who have proved that if you have enough determination and passion, you can actually get a spring in the desert.
गजाननाच्या आवय बापायक ताजे बद्दल आनी ताच्या कामा बद्दल कशें दिसता काय?
अमेरिकेक गेल्लो मनीस चडसो सेटल जावपाक इंडियेक येना अमेरिकेंत रावता. आमकां खूब उमेद आशिल्ली की तो हांगा येवचो म्हणून, आनी ती उमेद आज आमगेली भागल्या. आनी जें कितें कमायिल्लें तें घालून कंपनी उबी केली. कंपनी उबी करपाक म्हणजे प्रत्येक गव्हर्मेंटाक फीस आसतात, कंपनी उबी अशीच जायना. ते स्वता सॅलरीज घेनाशिल्ले. तांचे सगळो खर्च म्हजेर आशिल्लो. पूण तेन्ना हांवें केन्ना पळयलें ना, कित्याक म्हाका कसली अडचण जातली अशी म्हणून. कित्याक म्हजे कडेन एक सोर्स आशिल्लो म्हणटा तें म्हगेलें मॅडिकल स्टॉप जे चलताले आनी रेगुलरली चलयताले ते, आनी सून एसिस्ट करताली ताजे म्हणून म्हाका ताजो एक फायदो आशिल्लो. आज आमचे कडेन कॅविन इतलीं वर्सां जालीं, तो आज आमचेच म्हऱ्यार रावता. आमगेलो फॅमिली मेंबर असो. देर इज नो डिस्टिंक्शन बिटवीन फॉरेनर आनी हे म्हणून. तो आमचे भशेन जेवता, आमचे भशेन हातांनी खाता. सांगपाचें म्हणजे चमचे बिमचे कांय लागना ताका, सामकें हातांनी खाता अशें. कोण म्हणचो ना की बाबा तो वेगळो म्हणून. हांगा तांकां बरे भशेन मार्केट जर मेळ्ळें आनी मार्केटांत ते सक्सीड जाले, ते हांगा रावूंक शकतले, कंटिन्यू करूंक शकतले. ना जाल्यार तांकां खंय तरी कितें तरी आपली प्रोग्रेसा खातीर खंय तरी शिफ्ट जावचेंच पडटलें. त्या खातीर आमी आमची मातशी मनां घट्ट करची पडटात की आमकां म्हातारपणाक सुद्दां मेळत ना मेळत, पूण एकच आमी समजतात की अजून पर्यंत जे मेळ्ळें तितले आमी खूश आसात. ह्या भुरग्यांक जर मातशें जर तर सपोर्ट जर दीत गव्हर्मेंटान, मातसो जर हेल्प करत, तर खूब बरें जातलें. आमचें गोंयचें बरें जातलें, लोकांचें बरें जातलें. आनी गोंयचे लोक आसात तांकां शिक्षणाचो फायदो मेळटलो, जे घेतिल्लें शिक्षण आसता तो. आनी भायर सेटल जावपाक जरुरी पडची ना. आमकां इतलें दिसता की तांकां देवान हात दिवचो की फुडें तांगेली जी प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करपाक आनी फुडें तांगेलो फायनल गोल तो एचीव जावपाक.
आज तो सेटल जालो हांवें म्हाका खूब वायट दिसतालें. आतां म्हाका समाधान जालां, बरो आसा. खूब बरें दिसता म्हाका. देवान ताका अशेंच करचें म्हणून.
गोंयचीं कितलींशींच आवय बापूय दुखीची आनी एकसूरपणाची दुकां गळयना जायत. तांकां गजाननाच्या आवय बापाय सारकीं अभिमानाची आनी सुखाची दुकां गळोवंक भाग मेळचें म्हणून गजानना सारके आनी गोंयचे खूब तरणाटे जे वावुरतात तांकां आदार करपाक गोंयच्या राजकारबाऱ्यांचें मोन उजवाडावचें म्हणून आनी आमचे जे लाखांनी गोंयकार परदेसान आसात तांणी आपले थंयचे कनेक्शनां आनी इश्टागती वापरून गजानन आनी कॅविनाचे हे काणयेंतल्यान इन्स्पिरेशन घेवन गोंयांत टॅक्नॉलॉजिकल उदरगत हाडपाक वावुरचें म्हणून आवडून हो एपिसोड संपयता. देव बरें करूं. गेल्या सुमनाच्या प्रश्नाचो जबाब जावन आसा ऑप्शन सी सॅमसंग आनी सारको जबाब दिवन इनाम जिखपी जावन आसा एन सुझन जोज. इनाम जिखप्याक वेस्ट सायडाचो 1000 रुपयांचो गिफ्ट वाउचर आयच्या एपिसोडान दाखयल्ल्या कॅलोज कंपनी कडल्यान मेळटलो. इनाम जिखप्यान आपलो इनाम स्पॉन्सराच्या दाखयल्ल्या एड्रेसारसून दाखयल्ल्या मनशाक कॉन्टॅक्ट करून 7 दिसां भितर कलेक्ट करचो. ह्या सुमानाचो प्रश्न. कॅलोज ही कंपनी खंयच्या वर्सा रजिस्टर जाली? 2007, 2009, 2012 वा 2008? तुमच्यो एंट्री तुमी बेरेस्तार मेरेन ह्या नंबराचेर ह्या फॉर्मेटान SMS करच्यो. एका मोबायल नंबरा वयल्यान आनी एका मनशान एकूच एंट्री धाडची.